Hi, how are you doing? I hope you're all doing well. Well, it's Monday here in Germany. It's the 1st of November. It's actually a public holiday celebrated in the southern part of Germany called Allerheiligen, which simply means All Saints Day. In the southern part of Germany, it's predominantly Catholic area. And so we get to celebrate some of these Catholic holidays. And I just thought, since I'm home today, I should probably take the kids out. It's a day trip to Strasbourg. So come along with us. It says it's going to take about 163 kilometers from where we live. Germany is bordered by about 9 different European countries. And so we have the opportunity to travel sometimes less than 2 hours to a neighboring country, or at least to the border of another country, depending on where you live. So come along with us and experience We made it safe and sound to Strasbourg, and we just parked our car somewhere over there. I don't know if you can see it. It says park and ride, and we have come to pick the tram, trying to find how to get there. Yeah, so we'll keep you posted. Come along with us and enjoy this day trip.
Aber mein Problem ist, ich weiß nicht genau, wo ist das City Center. Wo sind wir denn jetzt?
Oh, the train is just coming. I guess this is the one we're going to be driving with. Yeah. All right, I'll keep you posted. Strasbourg, just like many other attractive destinations, can be a bit pricey. But one tip we have for you is when you get to Strasbourg, you can actually use the park and drive. Park your car in and use the tram car and get to the city center. You can reach the city center from about 5 to 10 minutes. And that way you are able to save cost of parking. And guess what? The ticket you buy for parking your car actually enables 7 people to drive into the city center to and fro. So that way you're able to save cost on transportation. And while on the train, you already have opportunity to see the sight and sound around Strasbourg. They say when in Rome, do as the Romans do. I'm in France, you have to do as the French people do. Your boy is swagging street style today. Let's go.
viennent de l'amener.
Hey, we're just going over to the Grand Est, the big island. It's like the touristy center of Strasbourg, and it's said that now these days, as I said, it's a touristy area. Back in the days, it was like the worker area where they, as far as I have read, they have they worked on the skin of the animals. That's what they did over there. So
Leather fabrication, kind of. Okay.
yes. But now they have pretty small houses and stuff. You will see. Just
It
come with us.
reminds you of France, you know, that's why they call it
Petite France.
Yeah, which simply translates to meaning small France.
Or little. Strasbourg has become a major tourist attraction. It is a city full of history. It is contemporary and cosmopolitan in nature. A visit to this city gives you the opportunity to see historical buildings such as the Cathedral called Notre Dame, Barrage Vauban, or the historical buildings of Petite France.
And your stop.
On n'est pas rattaché au port autonome.
And now we can go. Freedom at last.
Recule un petit peu. Je pense tirer la chaîne.
Okay. Okay, this is like the electric producing company
Ice and electricity.
back then. Oh, ice and electricity? How do you produce ice? Okay, it's written there. So, I told you before we're in that part of the city where it's called Petite France. So now you see. I think this is a hotel. It says Région Petite France. If I'm not pronouncing it well, pardon me. Pardon my French. Oh wow, it's a 5-star hotel actually. Nice. The boys are having fun. What are you doing, Jaden? Like always. Just be careful. Eating chips and running around. About to go out, it started raining. We'll have to stay here for shelter a bit. If it looks tired, probably want to sleep. I see someone is enjoying the weather. How do you like it right now?
Strasbourg is very nice when the rain off.
I like the rain. I like the rain. It's super good to
It's part of it. It's autumn. What do you expect? This is nice. They open this up for emergency exit for the cars and then close it up. So that way the pedestrian can pass without being disturbed with vehicles, you know, driving through. Okay, there's a hotel. Oh, really? Is that what it says? Becky is just letting me know now that it's only for the guests or people driving to the hotel.
Something, press the button above. An officer will ask you for your code that the hotel has given you.
Okay. Let's go in and see. So we're walking through the barrage Vauban, and it's good to know they have like a public toilet where the people can just go in and do their business. It's quite important if you have to walk through the city, you know, you need a place, a restroom. And one major thing about the city of Strasbourg in France is the fact that it hosts the official seat of the European Parliament. I love the city so much.
Give me Jimmy! I guess over there, have you shown this church over there?
Ist das die richtige Notre Dame?
No, it's not the Notre Dame from Paris, no.
Yeah.
We have so far a nice time except for the rain. That has stopped us a little bit in between, but that's fine, I guess. It is very nice here, like all those little buildings and all this old stuff. Me personally, I like it very much, as you can see. It is very nice. If it wouldn't be for the holiday, there would be more shops open and the museums would be open and stuff, because they have also a lot of museums here. But yeah, it is public holiday, as we mentioned in the beginning, so we can just see things from outside, basically, except for some eatery places that we are going to hopefully find now something. Because if you're traveling with children, just know, they're always hungry. Let's go and find something to eat.
So would you suggest or advise someone to come visit Strasbourg?
Oh, for sure.
Yeah?
For sure.
Awesome.
It is cute.
I love it so far.
France is very nice.
Yeah, sometimes you wonder who the cameraman is. He's catching me and I'm getting him too. That's the whole idea. Yeah, and it's pretty safe. I'm sure you must have seen the police, you know, on the water.
Police?
Ah, you saw them? Really? Where are they? Ah.
That's a police boat.
And one major thing about the city of Strasbourg in France is the fact that it hosts the official seat of the European Parliament. I love this city so much.
How's it going? Everything good? Awesome. Let's come see what you got to offer.
Can we drive it?
Yeah, let's go. Oh, so this is our baby.
Okay. So how the bus works?
Stopp, stopp, du reagierst zu schnell.
Who is that?
Ja, das ist die Strömung unter anderem hier
Stop
unter
it, stop it.
After waiting for a while, the food finally came. Doesn't look like Jaden has patience to wait.
Nope, I don't have.
Jaden is already asking if you can do it, but it's not possible.